Greetings! Today I'm going to be showing you how you can enable developer options on your Android phone. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you want to go into your settings. And once in your settings, you're going to want to scroll through until you can find the About Phone option. This will normally be at the very bottom of your settings. Then tap on it. Once you're in the About Phone, you're going to want to scroll until you find the build number. This will typically be at the bottom of the About Phone section. Then you want to tap on the build number 7 times. When you do so, you'll see some notification toasts, letting you know how many taps away you are. Now you need to enter your PIN or use your fingerprint or a swipe pattern. And you'll be told by a toast notification that you're a developer. Back out of the About Phone section. Now, if you want to go to the developer options, you can click on the System section, then click on Developer Options. And now you have loads of developer options you can use. If you want to turn off developer options, you can click on the button here. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comments if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.